What if the next Samsung phone isn't just a budget-friendly option, but a secret replacement for an entire Galaxy series? That's exactly what the latest Galaxy S25 FE leaks are pointing to. Not only is Samsung launching it earlier than anyone expected, but it might also be quietly replacing the standard Galaxy S26. That's not just a tweak in release dates, it's a bold strategy shift, and the clues are all over the place. Welcome back, viewers. Sam here. If you're into unexpected tech twists, insider leaks, and future-proof upgrades, go ahead and like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a single scoop. So here's the twist. Instead of sticking to its usual September or October drop, Samsung's now looking to release the S25 FE by late August or even earlier. And this isn't just speculation. During a recent high-level internal meeting, Samsung's mobile boss, Daniel Arajo, made it crystal clear to boost sales they're planning early launches and surprise offers. Sounds like something big is brewing, and that something is the Galaxy S25 FE. But here's where it gets wild. Samsung might not even release a regular Galaxy S26. You heard that right. No vanilla S26, just a Pro version, and the S25 FE stepping in to fill that void. Think of it as Samsung merging two lines into one smarter, more strategic move. The FE isn't just a sidekick anymore, it's stepping into the spotlight. And that spotlight, it's packed with surprises. Let's start with wireless charging. The S25 FE is expected to support QI2, the same next-gen standard found in the S25 Pro models. That means more efficient charging and better heat management. But plot twist, it won't come with built-in magnets like MagSafe. So if you're planning to snap on a magnetic wallet or mount, you'll need a magnetic case. Still, for a budget flagship, this is a solid future-proof upgrade. Now, software, this one's exciting. The S25 FE could be the first traditional bar-style Samsung phone to launch with One UI 8 right out of the box. That's the same fresh new software currently rolling out with the Z Fold 7. We're talking new animations, AI tricks, and better battery optimization across the board. And the best part, this phone could get up to 7 years of software updates. That's longer than most people even keep their phones. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, the chip. The S25 FE is reportedly powered by Samsung's Exynos 2400. Now, before you roll your eyes, yes, Exynos chips have had a mixed past, but this one's different. The same chip is used in many Galaxy S24 models, and it's been surprisingly solid. No overheating nightmares, solid gaming performance, and day-to-day tasks run smooth. Sure, Snapdragon fans might wish for that version, but this Exynos isn't the weak link it used to be. Speaking of improvements, the front camera is getting a nice bump to 12MP, same as the S25 series. That means sharper selfies, better low-light shots, and smoother video calls. On the back, the triple camera setup remains similar 50MP main with OIS 12MP ultra-wide and an AMP30X telephoto. Not a dramatic change, but sometimes sticking with what works isn't a bad thing. The display, still top tier. You get a 6.7-inch FHD flat OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Basically, you're getting a flagship-level screen at a way lower price. And while most phones in this range still lag behind in touch response and brightness, Samsung's display tuning here is unmatched. Scrolls are buttery, colors pop, and even in bright daylight, you'll see everything clearly. But let's flip the story to battery, and this is where things get complicated. Earlier leaks pointed to a 4900 mAh battery, but the latest real-world image leak shows a smaller 4500 mAh cell instead. That's 200 mAh less than last year's model. So what's happening? Turns out, Samsung might be trimming the battery to make the phone slimmer and lighter. The S25 FE is rumored to drop down to just 7.4 mm thick and 190 grams. That's thinner and nearly 25 grams lighter than before. So yes, slightly less battery, but way more comfort in hand. To balance that out, you're getting 4.5W fast charging this time. That's a huge jump from 25W on the S24 FE. So even if the battery is a bit smaller, it charges way quicker, about 50% in just 30 minutes. Wireless charging stays at 15TW with Q2 compatibility, another nice perk. Now let's talk colors. 4 shades are expected: dark blue, light blue, black, and white. But knowing Samsung, these aren't your basic colors. Expect names like Midnight Fog or Icy Pearl to spice things up. And yes, we might see even more exclusive colors drop later, just like Samsung did with S24 Ultra. Internally, it's not just about the chip. You're getting 8GB of RAM, up to 256GB of storage, and Android 16 right out of the box. It's a clean, powerful package that should handle multitasking, gaming, and streaming with ease. And with that One UI 8 optimization, even better. So what's the catch? Honestly, very few, unless you absolutely need Snapdragon or want something dramatically new in design. Because the design itself isn't revolutionary, it's just more refined, thinner bezels, flatter frame, lighter build, clean, minimal but familiar, and that brings us to price. If Samsung holds Fefshin, expect the S25 to start around $650, which puts it head-to-head with some serious rivals, especially Google's Pixel 9a, which starts at just $40.99. But here's the thing, while the Pixel may win on price, the S25 FE might win on polish. So now the big question, should you wait for the S25 FE? If you want a Samsung phone that looks and feels premium without dropping ultra-level cash, this might be the sweet spot. It checks almost every box: display, camera, software, updates, and now even charging. Just don't expect earth-shattering changes. This one's all about smart refinement. But the earlier launch, the potential cancellation of the base Galaxy S26, the One UI 8 surprise, it's clear Samsung is reshaping its 2025 strategy. And the S25 FE is right at the center of it. Let me know in the comments, are you planning to grab the S25 FE, or are you holding out for something else this year? And if you could change one thing about Samsung's FE series, what would it be? I'll be reading and replying to your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more insider drops, and I'll see you in the next one.